All right, taking the hood off by yourself or a deck lid, usually you can stuff towels near the edge, but I use these little foam pieces that body shops get for new hoods and new deck lids. I'll take one, place it on the corner edge over here, and then do the same thing on the other side. That pretty much ensures that it's not gonna, edge of the hood's not gonna scratch the fender when you go to take it off. So pretty much what I do is, see, I'll let it rest. Take the bolt off. And then now the hood can rest on that little foam piece, and you don't have to hold it up on that side. Boom, it's resting and no scratching at all. So that's when the foam pads are so amazing. It's a little bit more difficult when you're doing big hoods on trucks.